মণিপুৰৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা মণিপুৰৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰীক সাক্ষাৎ ডক্টৰ শৰ্মাৰ সাক্ষাৎ কৰে কেইবাটাও সামাজিক দল সংগঠনক মণিপুৰৰ সৃষ্টি হোৱা হিংসাত্মক কাৰ্যকলাপৰ পাছত পৰিস্থিতি বুজ লয় মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডক্টৰ শৰ্মাই মণিপুৰৰ শান্তি বাহাল থাকিবৰ বাবে সকলো ব্যৱস্থা ল'বৰ বাবে কেন্দ্ৰীয় গৃহমন্ত্ৰীক অৱগত কৰিম বুলি মন্তব্য মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডক্টৰ শৰ্মাৰ
The meeting was on peaceful.
For us, peace and stability in Manipur is very, very important. Whatever I have learned during the day or whatever discussion I have during the day, I will report the same to Honorable Union Home Minister for further necessary action.
Sir, will you be meeting the Suki civil society?
Yes, not this time, but I might meet them in some other date. But this time I met mainly Honorable Chief Minister, our party colleague, and other civil society organization. I could not meet any Kuki leaders today, but I think as and when need arise, we can contact them.
Due to the fake media propaganda that has been taking place in the state,
Please do not ask me to comment on the specific issue because I have come for the first time and I have to get some more experience before commenting on the situation.
Sir, you are not in charge. Is there any alternative for leadership change this year?
Look, I have come here only to discuss and create a confidence building measure.
Sir, any specific agenda discussed with our Chief Minister?
Actually, I should have come little earlier itself, but because incident happened, thereafter Union Home Minister came, I was feeling little guilty that I have not come during the last 1 month. So that is why my visit is completely a goodwill visit, nothing more than that.
Sir, people are expecting normalcy to be restored, sir.
Let us pray to God and Almighty. Let us pray to Almighty that peace not only come to Manipur, it permanently stays in Manipur.